All right, Kinghuman Elite students. I want to get into this. I want to show you guys what I'm working on for you. And I want your feedback to let me know if you want me to continue with this or not. This is a project I'm working on for you. It's rough out. This is just purely rough that you're looking at right now. This is not going to be the final draft, but what I'm building for you here is an e-commerce platform that you can make money with in a couple of different ways. Why e-commerce? Because I'm getting a couple of people, a couple of my members asking me about e-commerce and to give them an easy gateway for that. So this is what I'm doing. In fact, let me go into my ClickFunnels account and I'll show you what I'm building for you, right? So this is what's doing. I made this website with two different splash pages. I'll show you again. I'll show you this one. This is the one we just looked at, right? So what I've got building here is a flash sale type website, right? Now this timer is going to be different. It's not going to be 30 minutes. It's going to be something like 6 minutes, right? Because we really want to put people under the gun and make them make a decision quickly. So fast, all items shipped fast and free from the USA. I haven't put a header up here yet, anything like that. Today's flash sales. Hurry, these flash deals expire when the timer hits 0. Wireless Bluetooth headphones, deep bass, noise reductions, just $6.30, free shipping, guaranteed best price anywhere. I should put fast free shipping. Anyway, again, this is just rough, right? I haven't finished this. But these are real products and this is real stuff that you can use to make money. So, and you can run this in a couple of different ways. I'll get into that in a minute. So anyway, here's this product. And then I'm building out other products down here that, as you can see, I'm going to have, strings of products along here. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe I'll just keep it as one hero product per page, right? So let me go back into ClickFunnels. I'll show you the other one that I made. This is the other hero image for another product. Portable Bluetooth speaker, 360-degree stereo sound, waterproof wireless, 24-hour playtime, flash sale, $29.08, free shipping, best price anywhere. And it's got this is like a fake out video. But anyway, you get the idea of what's going on here. So the two ways, I'm going to teach you guys two ways that you can make money with this. And I'm going to give you this website for free as well when I finish it for all of my Kinghuman Elite members. And you're going to be able to import it with one click. And you're going to be able to do this. You're going to be able to do a split test. So when you run traffic to this website, what you're going to do is you're going to set this up, and I've already made this for you, but you're going to set it up for 50-50 and then click on apply changes. And then when you send traffic to this, 50% of the people are going to land here, 50% of the people are going to land here. So you've got these two different hero products on the page. Both are real, both will make you money depending on how you want to run this. Again, we'll get into this in depth in the KinghumanElite.com money pages for July. But I just wanted to give you guys an overview of what I'm working on. Now, you can make money with these products, either running it as an affiliate or you can drop ship these products. And I'll get into both of the different ways you can make money running this. But here's the other thing I wanted to show you. Let me go in here and I'll just show you what I've set up. And again, this just rough out. So SEO metadata. Here's what I've done. Flash deals. Of course, this is just rough, right? Because I haven't named this website yet. I don't know if I can even get the domain flashdeals.com, but since this is going to be your website, you can call it whatever you want. So find a good domain like superfastdeals.com, something like that. Now what I've written in here is get amazing deals on the coolest stuff at superamazingdeals.com. Everything ships fast and free. Fast and 100% free from the U.S., lowest price guaranteed, and money back guarantee on all items. Get these amazing deep base. Okay, so here what I've done is I've put an example, and this is what happens. So when you post the URL of your website on Facebook, this is what shows up. And I'll make a post below this video. I'll just take my URL and I'll post it on Facebook, and this is what you'll see. You'll see this image, and then you'll see flash deals. Get amazing deals on the coolest stuff at Flash Deals. Now, this isn't going to be a working website at this point. It's just going to be an illustration to show you. So anyway, I just wanted to get your feedback and see if this is something you would be interested in me completing for you for the July KingHumanElite.com money pages. Because as a member, you get this website, you get the training. I'm going to give you all the training on how to run this and make money with it. And the cool thing is you're going to be able to do this with free traffic, right? And I'll even get into how to run free social sharing contests so you can get free traffic. And basically, free traffic isn't going to cost you much because you're going to give away 1 or 5 pairs of these Bluetooth headphone things, Bluetooth earbuds. Fuck, I couldn't remember the name. Bluetooth earbuds. You're going to give away anywhere between 1 and 5 sets of those for free when people share your website and your post. So that's going to get you viral traffic because one person's going to share it, then another person's going to share it, and then 5 people, those people will share it, and so on, right? Snowball effect. But we'll get into that in the July Money Pages training. Again, put your feedback below this video and let me know. Should I continue, or I'm not going to finish doing this, sourcing these products? Because this takes a lot of time for me, right? Sourcing these products, finding the products that have a big demand, right? And big appeal, and that are, you know, easily profitable for you guys. And then building out the website, and then building the training and showing you guys how to do the back end work on this to make it work for you. All that takes a lot of time and effort for me. And if you're not interested, let me know so I can move on to other things. But I've got a lot of things coming up in the July Money Pages. I just thought I'd give you a heads up, and I wanted to get your opinion on this before I go any deeper into it. So make your comment below. And if you're not a member of the KingHumanElite.com, you're an idiot. So go to the KingHumanElite.com or UofSE.com, University of Self-Empowerment.com. Both of those should work, but the KingHumanElite.com, and get a 7-day free trial, right? Become a member for 7 days. If you don't see the value there, quit before the 7 days is up and you won't be charged a penny. But you're going to get literally years of training. You're going to get a minimum of 2 years of training. And you're going to get done for you products that you can slap your name on and sell as your own. And when I say done for you products, I'm talking about done for you ultra white label products, meaning you could do whatever you want with them. There's no restrictions, not like crappy PLR stuff. So you're going to get all kinds of stuff. You're going to get done for you websites. Let's go back up here because I want to show you this. Here are some of the done for you websites. That you're looking at right there, that's a membership website. So you can take the content that I give you and make your own membership website. Actually, you've got your own membership website. All you have to do is populate it with the content that I give you and then just start running traffic to it. That one is actually a physical product. And what I'm showing you is I give you this website for this green juice product, but I'm not putting you in the green juice business. What I want you to do is I want you to flip that website, sell that website as a turnkey business to people. The same with this keto diet website that I'm giving you. I'm showing you that right there too. So I give you guys websites that you can either use yourself, they're done for you, or you can flip them and sell them for a bunch of money. And I teach you how to make money on the back end with that too, because you make affiliate money from that. And yes, those are ClickFunnels websites. Why? Because ClickFunnels is the best platform I've used, right? It's just the best. And it's easy for me to give you these websites. You can import them into your ClickFunnels account with one click. And they're set up and ready to go. Just a few tweaks on your part. Attach your own domain name to it, and boom goes the dynamite. But pretty much 100% done for you. Well, I can't say 100%. 95% done for you. Few tweaks, and you're good to go. And you can easily sell these websites and send them to your clients with one click. The other thing is you get a 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels. So let's go back. I want to talk about this a little bit more. So you could grab these done for you websites along with all the other assets that you're getting, the training and okay, I'm going nuts here. I got to stay focused. You get a 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels. So here's what you can do. You can come into my website, thekinghumanelite.com, join, get a 7-day free trial, and then get these free websites that I've built for you. They're called Funnel Club websites. You'll see them in the money pages. They're highlighted with the words Funnel Club under the title. And go sell them. You got 14 days free ClickFunnels. So import these into your ClickFunnels account for free for 14 days and go put these listings on eBay, put it on Flippa, put it on Kishmium Tuckus, whatever, and sell these websites. Fiverr even. You can sell these for hundreds of dollars on Fiverr. Hundreds of dollars a piece on Fiverr. Right? And, okay, enough of me. The training is in thekinghumanelite.com. And, again, give me your feedback on this stuff, right? That one and this one. And let me know if you have any special needs that you want done on this before I put it in the July money pages. All right, enough of me. Go away. Kishmium Tuckus. I don't care. Go away. You bug me.